Hey David, it's my husband's name too, by the way. So I'm on the roof. I'm gonna give you a little tour. Starting from the back, here's what we got. I don't know how much you want to see or not. My vents are in pretty good shape. Here is my, it's pretty good. See, it's all cracked there. This is the sunroof, obviously. I don't remember if you said we could reuse this one. I know you recommended we replace it, but what if? So I'm tempted, I'm feeling it, it feels okay. I'm thinking maybe we don't need to replace it. Although, if you take this off, it's probably not gonna go on very well. Oh, I don't know. Okay, so here are our vent covers. I really like these things, but I know they have to go. And they're gonna be replaced with the other thing that you have. So this is a spot that catches water off the AC. The AC water drips there all the time. Whoa, oh, I almost tripped on that. There's a soft spot here, just a little bit. It feels like, I hope I'm doing this right. Ooh, did you hear that? I hear creaking, but creaking's probably not bad. There's more water that sits here from the AC. There's my itsy bitsy solar panel. This monster needs to go away. We don't need it anymore. We're still considering getting a different, we're thinking about having to do something with our. Okay, so let me explain something about the Starlink. We have the Gen 2, obviously, but we had the Gen 3 for a little while because our Gen 2 broke, and we had to get a Gen 3 so David could work on his work stuff. So we bought one because the 2 broke, but then we got the 2 working. It was a problem, and we got it fixed. And we returned the Gen 3. But now we're finding that the Gen 3s are kind of better because you can slap them on the roof and leave them there. We're still in the process of making that decision. So we'll know more about that by the time we get to see you. But if we decide to keep the Gen 2, the one we already have, we like the flexibility of having it on the roof or taking it down on the ground. If we go with the Gen 3, we're probably going to need you to, if possible, drill a hole in the ceiling here and bring it down into this cabinet so that we can have the router mounted in there. So that's another thing we're still working on. Just a little side note. This thing, there's little holes in here, and you can attach bolts to hold it down, but we're also fine doing what we're doing. We just oh, I know, David was thinking of having some little mounted, I don't know what they're called, a little ring attached to the roof, and we can attach bungee cords to hold it down. And then my air horns you're gonna keep and reuse, I guess. This thing is gonna go away, and you're gonna mount your new thing in. This is like, I don't even know what these are. And I don't know, this Sirius thing, I don't think we have those anymore. I don't know what that is, so you'll have to tell me. Oh, speaking of my awnings, see this, I don't know, this keeps getting wet because this has come out of here. This is the only spot along the awning that's bad. I probably should repaint these, but I don't think it matters. But this is one thing about the awning, but that's a whole nother thing. I'll talk to you about that when I see you. I get distracted. I don't know what this was, but I don't know what that is either. I got a bunch of these little, okay, here's a soft spot right here. So this probably is leaking. See, there's a little crack right there. So this is leaking, and I think there's a lot of little cracks up here. It's really soft around here. So up here is where I think we're gonna have some damage. My couch, this is the first time I've seen this. This is new. I might need to have her repainted one of these days. Okay, so I'll also take some photos. My toppers, both of my slide toppers were replaced last year. We did that ourselves, so they're good. I don't know what else you want to see. Here's these guys. So these are my vents. I got 3 vents, 3 fans, and I don't know. This is like water pools here. I don't think that's supposed to do that. It's from the air conditioner. I don't know if there's a way to have the air conditioner water run somewhere else, but what are you going to do? Okay, so now I'll take some pictures as well, and you can zoom in on them. Thank you. One more thing. My ladder is starting to break away from the RV. I've tried screwing these on harder and they don't work. I just wondered if when you deal with the ladder, if there's like a gasket or something that we could put in there. All of them are like that. Oh geez, look at this. I never saw this before. I just noticed this. What is this doing here? Holy cow. What the frick? Sorry for my language. I don't like things like that. I never noticed that before. That is new. Yikes. So see how these are all kind of just old? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, there's 6 of them. Maybe 8, actually. Oy. It looks like there was something there, but it's all nasty. I don't know if that's something you could fit in while your adhesive is drying upstairs. I'm gonna go get a screwdriver right now and tighten those. So let me know if there's anything else you need from me. And here I'll just give you there's a view of our Sophie. This is our baby girl. She's 2010. She's awesome. We love her very much. And I know she'll be in good hands with you.